Hello my friend, today I'm very happy to introduce how to connect our car camera to monitor. At first, let us introduce this part to you. This is charge adapter, just like that. This is our car camera, okay? This can be not, this black cable. You will receive one cable just like that. This is black cable. This can be connected. Those two cable interface just like that. Keep it tightly. Keep it tightly first. Okay. Monitor. Regarding those two cables, this is full power, this is full audio, this is full for video. Okay. Choose one cable power and then connect to power, just like that. Okay. Another charge adapter to monitor. Okay. And then you can see this AV. Please kindly note that you can change the mode of monitor, VGA, HDMI, AV. Please choose AV. Okay. Yellow to yellow. White to white. This interface is for our technology department to update our system, so please ignore it. Okay. Actually, this camera already normally work. 哎呀，你等一下，可以看到吗？ Can you see it? Okay, thank you.